In this video, we will do two things. First, we will look at the basics of anti-gravity and cover all the major concepts: agent manager, browser automation, selecting appropriate AI models, artifacts, and best practices. Secondly, we will build this beautiful candle store in just few minutes without writing a single line of code. Now it's a fully working live store ready to take real orders with a complete admin panel to manage the products and orders. And we will build it from scratch. If you are a developer, you will learn to build 10 times faster. And if you know nothing about coding, this is 2026. If you can describe it, you can simply build it. So let's begin. Go to antigravity.google/download and install it. I have already installed. So let's dive in. This is the interface, very similar to VS Code. The left panel will show you all the project files managed by the anti-gravity, so I do not touch that. Here is the main area on the right where we type our prompts to build anything. But first, let's create a folder and open it here. I will go to the desktop and create a folder named Candle Store and open it. So there we go, nice and empty. Now before we write our first prompt for the store, let me give you a quick overview of the basic controls and the settings. Down here in the bottom you got anti-gravity settings. Keep everything on default, do not touch anything except this review policy. By default it's set to request review. That means before anti-gravity does anything, it makes a detailed plan and taps you on the shoulder asking, hey, does this look right? Should I go ahead? You hit allow and then it starts building. And if something looks off in the plan, you just tell it to change that before it begins. So if you are a developer, this is amazing because you are in a complete control of what's happening under the hood. But if you are not a developer, go with always proceed and let it do everything automatically. No permissions, pure automation. Now back to the prompt area. If your typing is not good, use the audio prompt option. Hit plus to attach any files and over here select the conversation mode. Most of the time we will go with planning. But if the task is super simple, like renaming something, change the button color, fix some spacing issue, then go with fast to save your tokens and stay in free limit. And this is the most important setting, selecting the right AI model. Quick tip, use Gemini 3.1 Pro for design and frontend, the UI, and use Claude Sonnet for the backend, the database and the complex programming. So in short, Gemini Pro for the body and Claude Sonnet for the brain. But remember, Claude Sonnet gets consumed really fast and you can hit the free limit even as a paid member. Then you have to wait for at least 5 days for this to be available. Right now it is not available for me, so I have to stick to Gemini Pro. Anyways, do not waste Claude on simple things. Later in the video, I will give you one more tip to maximize your results while staying in the free limit. Now one last but super important thing before we get to the real work, and that is Agent Manager. Now this is where anti-gravity gets really interesting. The Agent Manager lets you run multiple AI agents at the same time. An agent is simply a chat window. One chat, one agent. To build our candle store, we can run two agents. One agent to design the front end and UI of the application, and the second agent to set up the backend and database. So we get a team of front end and backend developer working together. And that's exactly what we're gonna do now. This will double our speed instead of waiting for one task to finish before starting the next. Now you can switch between this agent manager and editor using command E or control E. Now if your task is simple or you do not want multitasking at all, you can stick to this one chat and do everything here. But I will go with the agent manager. So let's begin. We will start with the front end. So here is the prompt. Create a candle store web app called Lumino. Build a homepage, collections, product details, cart, and checkout. And checkout will be simple with cash on delivery option only, and no other payment methods for now. Use 6 dummy products as placeholders with these details using copyright free images. Design should be warm and dark, illuminated by candles. It should be fully responsive to look good on mobile devices as well. For the technology, I would prefer React.js and Tailwind CSS for a clean and modern UI. Now, this simple prompt is enough to design the entire UI of our candle store, including all the key pages. Add more details, and the results get even better. So, submit. Front-end agent is running. Now, we will start another agent to set up the backend and database. For that, I will open another chat window. We're going to use Firebase for the backend, which is by Google and free for small applications. Set up Firebase backend for the store. Do whole Firebase setup yourself by creating Firebase project and whatever required. So I'm saying I will not touch anything. You have to do all the setup by yourself. Now here you will see another powerful feature of Antigravity, and that is browser automation. Let's see that in real time. Press send. So you can see on the right both front end and back end agents are running. We can keep a check on their progress. Now look at this. My hands are away. Antigravity is doing everything. It opened the browser with Firebase console. You see a blue shadow around the screen. That means the agent is using your computer right now. So it opened the browser with Firebase console. Now it's creating a Firebase project. So it's powerful enough to open websites, click buttons, fill forms, and do almost everything we manually do. It's a bit slow, but still it gets the job done. At least you don't have to learn how to set up Firebase backend for your application. It will do the whole configuration by itself. Both front-end and backend agents are doing the job. The backend setup is almost complete. The front end is also in progress. Let's see who finishes the job first. After setting up the database, the backend agent has added 2 dummy products. It is searching through the web to collect some copyright-free images. Now it's doing the final checks. Okay, so after a while, both front-end and backend agents have done their job. Here we got a testing URL. Let's open it. So this is how our website is looking right now. To be honest, I'm not very impressed. In fact, I have a reference design and I would like to provide that to the anti-gravity so it can copy that design. So this is how I want it. So let's jump to anti-gravity, attach this screenshot and ask it to make homepage exactly like this. Let's see how it goes. So the changes are done. Let's see. Looks a bit better, but the font size is too big. And there is one more issue. Some product images are not showing. And the footer is also very simple. So the fonts are too big, and fix the product images and make the footer professional. Right now it looks too simple. Hopefully this time we will get what we actually want. The changes are done and I got the notification. So let's review. And now it looks much better. Upper section looks fine. Somehow the images are not fixed yet, but the footer looks very professional now and I love it. Now we don't need to worry about these images because these are dummy products and they will be deleted by the admin after all. So let's browse through the different pages. Product details looks good. Add it to cart. Added. The cart page also looks good. Needs some spacing from the top. Just take screenshot and ask anti-gravity to fix it. Give some space to the page title. Meanwhile, we can test the checkout. Proceed to checkout. Here we have same issue, need some space from the top. The form looks great. So the form validations are also in place, which is good. Let's fill the form and place the order. Looks nice. So just a few tweaks and our front end is pretty much ready. So it fixed the spacing issue on cart page. Let's check. Now looks good. And the issue is fixed on checkout as well. So we just told him to fix the issue on cart and it fixed automatically on the checkout page as well. Now that is smart work. So our front end is ready. Our backend setup is also ready. Now it's the time to connect backend to the front end. So our website is fully functional, working on a real data coming from real database. So let's get back to the anti-gravity. Open the backend agent. Now connect the store to Firebase backend. Fetch and display products from database. So no more placeholder products. And save all new orders to database when checkout is complete. Send. We got a little problem here. While doing integration of backend and frontend, the agent is stuck in a loop. It's trying to solve this problem, but somehow the agent is unable to read this error properly. So the browser automation of anti-gravity has some limitations. Now you don't need to worry at all. Just go to the agent, stop it, take screenshot of the error, and now submit this screenshot and ask for the fix. Now the agent is in a better position to read the whole error and fix it properly. So whenever browser automation gets stuck, just stop the agent, take the screenshot and provide it to the agent, and that will work better and faster. And within 2 minutes, the error is fixed. So now our website is fully functional. Both front end and back end are connected. So it is ready to take real orders from the customers. Let's place an order as a customer and see if it really goes to the database. Don't worry about these images. Let's place order for this product. Add to cart. Remove this item. Proceed to checkout. Fill the form and place the order. Order is confirmed. Now let's see the database if this order really went there. So this is our Firebase database, and here you can see products and orders. That means the website is fully functional now and it is ready to take real orders from the customers. However, right now there is no one to manage the products and the orders. So we need to create an admin panel, a simple admin section to add real products and manage the orders. So let's get back to anti-gravity and let's start a new agent. As promised earlier, a quick tip to save your tokens. Whenever you are starting a new task, always open a new conversation. A long chat history just blows up your free limit. So continue a chat until the task is not complete. But when the task is complete and you want to start a new one, then start a new conversation. So here we will create a new agent to make the admin panel. A simple statement. Create a simple admin section to manage the products and orders and set the admin password to admin123. Send. So finally, the admin panel is also complete. To access, we simply append /admin to the store URL. Here append /admin. And here comes the login page for the admin. We just need to type the admin password, which is admin123. And this is how the dashboard of admin looks. It looks awesome. So we got manage products and manage orders. Go to products first. Now these are the dummy products which admin can delete. Let's delete them. Now let's add a new product. Save. And there it goes. Now let's see if it is appearing on the website as well. Let's get back to the website. Scroll down and here it comes. Let's place order for this. Looks good on product details as well. Add to cart. Proceed to checkout. Fill the form and done. The order is confirmed. Now admin must see this order. So let's switch to the admin. Manage orders. And here you can see all the orders. We placed 3 orders and this is the latest one for Jani Bahara. So in short, our website is completely ready to go live and start taking customer orders. Now before that, you need to fill up these pages. Just give your basic details to the Antigravity and they will be done in 2 minutes. So let's put it live now. For that, I will simply go ahead and use free Firebase hosting as we are already using Firebase. So we can launch it quickly. Let's create a new agent. Put our store live on Firebase. And exactly in 2 minutes, we are live. And here's the URL. Let me copy this. So finally, we are live. In just 1 hour, without writing a single line of code, we built this store and also published it. It's fully functional and ready to take real orders. That's the power of anti-gravity. In the next video, we are going to convert this store into a fully working native mobile app for both Android and iPhone devices. Real apps that people can install on their phone and access with one tap. So not just websites, you will also learn how to build production ready mobile apps. So stay tuned, and if this video was helpful, please leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.